Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Use right now in front of you Epson LQ-680 dot matrix printer. We'll make a quick video to show you a technique. If you will turn on the printer and you will see straight away there is a light on the dashboard and there is a printer is in error state, and the error, if you will see in the computer, it's showing that this door is open. Okay, and how to fix this problem? There is a sensor over here. This is door sensor, and this sensor is broken. I think it's not working properly. If you have a new sensor, replace the sensor. If you don't have a sensor, how to fix this problem? Just you have to locate the open this front cover and locate the sensor cable. This white color is sensor cable. Okay, just cut the cable from anywhere middle and join this cable together, so it will indicate the printer that the door is closed. I will show you. This is the connector for the door sensor. I will check like this and check like this. Now I will turn on. Now you can see there is no error. Printer is in ready state. Okay, so whenever you find this error, you have to check the front door sensor over here. This is the front door sensor. Now I remove this tweezer, and there is error appeared. So now what I will do, I will cut this cable and will join together, and this will solve our issue. The printer is getting pause every time. Hope you understand the method. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Any dot matrix printers you can ask me in the comments. I will solve your questions. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.